Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sir Mio's Garden. Sir Mio Vlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Sansevieria Hahnii is a popular compact bird's nest snake plant. The dark glossy leaves are funnel-shaped and form an elegant rosette of lush, succulent foliage with horizontal gray-green variegation just like what you are seeing right now. Sansevieria will adapt to different light levels, however the colors are enhanced in bright, filtered conditions. These are robust, stocky plants, perfect if you're looking for a Sansevieria with all their easy care qualities, but don't have the space for one of the taller varieties. This is a perfect plant for you indeed. Make it rain. Once your Hahnii soil has dried out and it's time to water again, make sure you thoroughly drench the soil, allowing any excess water to drain through the bottom of the pot. The Hahnii is drought tolerant and is more than happy being left to its own devices, making it the ideal houseplant for the keen travelers like you. Living life on the edge, make sure to water your Hahnii around the edge of its grow pot, avoiding the middle stems as this can cause the plant to rot easily. Sansevieria trifasciata Hahnii does best in moderate to bright indirect light but can also adapt to low light conditions if preferred. Allow the soil to dry out completely before watering. Water thoroughly and allow to drain freely. Do not allow the plant to sit in water as this will cause root rot. The bird's nest snake plant is a slow grower and typically reaches an ultimate height of around 20 to 30 centimeters. One of the main reasons why this snake plant is so lucky is because Sansevieria filter airborne toxins such as benzene and formaldehyde and are part of our clean air plant collection in 2022.